Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And today we are going to discuss about 2016 Set A IEO question paper. The first topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 3, choose the meaningful word that matches the picture. This is the given picture. This is computer. 1. Look at the given picture. This is a tongue. So the answer is A, tongue. 2. This is the given picture. The answer is C, ladder. 3. This is the given picture. This is a puzzle. So the answer is B, puzzle. For questions 4 to 7, choose the correct answer. Example, who protects us from thieves? Answer is policeman. 4. Where do we go to read books? The options are museum, library, theatre. The answer is B, library. 5. What is the young one of a frog called? Young one means baby. The options are tadpole, colt, gosling. The answer is A, tadpole. 6. Which bird cannot fly? The options are ostrich, falcon, hawk. The answer is A, ostrich. 7. Where do we go to buy a cake? The options are baron, beach, bakery. The answer is C, bakery. For questions 8 to 16, choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Example, dance or cleaning the room. We are cleaning the room. 8. We danced dash around the school yard. The options are merrily, angrily, sadly. The answer is A, merrily. Merrily means happily. 9. Dash, you got a new car. You got is the keyword for finding the answer. The options are had, has, have. So the answer is have. Have you got a new car? 10. I like cats dash dogs. The options are but, or, and. The answer is I like cats and dogs. C is the answer. 11. Nice trophy. Where is dash certificate? The options are a, the, and. The answer is B, the. Where is the certificate? 12. I can't find dash pencil. The options are me or my. I can't find my pencil. So the answer is C, my. 13. Dash dolls are very old. And here dolls are plural. So here we have to write the plural term. The options are those, that, this. So the only plural word in the given option is those. So those is the answer. Those dolls are very old. 14. She is dash TV. Look at the given picture. The options are seeing, watching, looking. The answer is B, watching. C. She is watching TV. 15. I have 3 dash. These are shirts. So the answer is I have 3 shirts. A. 16. He dashed the poor in his free time. Look at the given figure. The options are looks, helps, gives. The answer is B, helps. He helps the poor in his free time. Next topic is reading. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer. You look at the given picture carefully. Example, there are dash animals in the picture. 4. 17. Who won the race in the picture? Look at the given picture. This is cheetah. So the answer is A, cheetah. Cheetah won the race in the picture. 18. What is Tom waving? The options are napkin, flag, towel. Look at the picture. Tom is waving the flag. So the answer is B, flag. 19. All the animals are running dash the finish line. The options are towards, beyond, around. Look at the given picture. All animals are running towards the finish line. So the answer is A, towards. 20. Kaka the monkey is always last. He dash wins. The options are usually, often, never. The answer is C, never. He never wins. For questions 21 to 24, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. The ant and the grasshopper. One summer afternoon, a grasshopper was hopping about in a field. He was enjoying the day. On his way, he met an ant who was struggling to take a grain of corn to her ant hill. The grasshopper was a lazy fellow. So when he saw the ant, he said, "Why don't you come and chat with me instead of working so hard? We will have a great time. I am trying to collect and store food for the winter. I can't waste time being lazy. I think you should also start saving food for winter," said the ant. The grasshopper yawned and said, "Winter is too far away. There is plenty of time. Why worry about it today?" But the ant went on her way and continued to work hard. Days passed, then months. The grasshopper enjoyed himself and the ant collected enough food for the winter. When the winter came, the leaves had fallen and the grass was dry. The grasshopper had nothing to eat. It started to snow. He thought he would die of hunger and cold. On the other hand, the ant was enjoying the fruits of her hard work. She had a nice and cozy home and plenty to eat. The grasshopper was very sad for not working hard and being lazy. Example, what was the ant struggling to carry? A grain of corn. 21. Why was the ant collecting grains? The options are to feed the grasshopper, she was storing food for winter, she was competing with the grasshopper. The answer is here, start saving food for winter. So the answer is B, she was storing food for winter. 22. Choose the opposite of the word lazy. The answer is B, active. Lazy, active. 23. Who worked hard in the given passage? The options are ant, grasshopper, both A and B. The answer is here, but the ant went on her way and continued to work hard. So the answer is A, ant. 24. The grasshopper thought he would dash in the winter, eat ants' food, work hard, die of hunger and cold. The answer is here, he would die of hunger and cold. So the answer is C. Next topic is spoken and written expression. For questions 25 to 30, choose the best option to complete each conversation. Example, Seema dash go on a vacation. Raj, great idea. The answer is let's go on a vacation. 25. Maina, I can't find my pencil. Dash I use yours. Mary, the options are may, does, am. The answer is may. May I use yours, Mary? 26. Deep. Dash Mala. Let's feed the birds. Mala. Yes, sure. The options are you, come, why. The answer is B, come. Come, Mala. Let's feed the birds. 27. Nina. Does we play badminton? Ram. No, I'm tired. The options are who, what, can. The answer is C, can. Can we play badminton? 28. Mahi, come on. Neha, the ice cream truck is dash. The options are here, where, come. The answer is A. Here. The ice cream truck is here. 29. Mom. Shaki, why are you crying? Saki, I dash my school bag. The options are lose, lost, gave. The answer is I lost my school bag. So B is the answer. 30. Bina, that's a beautiful bag. Tina, dash. The options are welcome, thank you, please. The answer is B, thank you. Achievers section 31. Choose the meaningful word that matches the picture. Look at the given picture. The answer is C, crocodile. For questions 32 to 33, choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. 32. Mom and Dad made lunch. The options are me, I, as. The answer is B, I. Mom and I made lunch. 33. Does you try? You will not learn. The options are because, though, unless. The answer is C, unless. Unless you try, you will not learn. 34. Choose the adverb from the given options. Adverb means it describes the verb. Ria sang well in the concert. The options are well, sang, concert. And here the answer is A, well. Here the verb is sang. The word well describes the verb sang. 35. Choose the best option to complete the conversation. Mohit, it's raining. I don't have an umbrella. Mona, you can dash mine. The options are share, give, lend. The answer is A, share. You can share mine. So my dear students, today we have discussed 2016 Set A IEO question paper. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.